Welcome to our tutorial on the Illustrated Library of Electrical Components in the field of aeronautics. In this video, we will explore how this library can facilitate the design and simulation of aeronautical electrical systems, helping engineers, technicians, and students to better understand the components and their functioning. The Library of Aeronautical Electrical Components is specifically designed to comply with NEMA standards, thus allowing their integration into electrical diagrams compatible with these regulations. This library includes a wide range of specific components used in the aeronautical industry, such as different types of connectors and lines, symbols that allow the representation of specific parts or objects of an airplane, joints, and control elements like complex switches and specific sensors, motion, inertia, airflow, or pressure, sound and light signaling instruments, motors, batteries, transformers, and other elements related to electrical power. Let's look at an example of how we can use this library in an aeronautical project. Imagine we are designing the hydraulic landing gear system of an airplane controlled by an electrical circuit composed of switches and relays. When starting the simulation, we can observe how the electrical circuit controls the hydraulic landing gear system. The switches and relays allow the activation and deactivation of the system, while the sensors provide real-time information about the system status, ensuring efficient and safe operation. Using the Aeronautical Electrical Components library, we can design the system, configure the control elements, and implement specific sensors. For more information about Automation Studio software, we invite you to visit our website. Thank you very much for watching this video.